Hello and welcome back to DaveTech YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install SD Maid on Google TV. Before we continue, a quick reminder. If you're using a smart TV, Fire Stick or Android TV device, I highly recommend using a VPN. A VPN helps protect your privacy, secure your connection, and keep your personal data safe while browsing or streaming. I personally recommend NordVPN. It's fast, reliable, and works smoothly with TV devices. I've put a special link in the description. If you want to check it out, do so right now. Let's get back into the video. So let's head into the video. I'll show you to do that in 2 steps. The first step, we're going to be enabling the APK Time app or any app of your choice to install applications from unknown sources. Install applications that are unknown, and this will be done with the developer's options in settings. We'll leave settings and we'll move over to the APK Time application where we'll download and install the SD Maid app. Head over to settings with me for step 1. I'm going to pick settings, then all settings. Then I'm getting down to system. From system, I'm going to about, and I'm going to be heading over to the group number. So go ahead and click the pick number 7 times to enable developers options. And I'm clicking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. By now, you should not be given a notification saying you are now a developer. If you're a developer, you confirm that by seeing developer options right here. So this is essential to make sure we are able to enable installations of applications from unknown sources. So I'm going out and I'm going to move over to the apps and select APK Time. Now, if you do not have the APK Time application, check the link in the description for a video tutorial that will teach you how to do it step by step. And when you have it, click on it to open. When you open the APK Time application, you'll be looking for the SD Maid application. So just come over and use the categories to search for SD Maid. Alright, so now the SD Maid application has been downloaded. Just click on the download button, it's downloaded, and now the installation process takes over. When the installation process takes over, you can see a message saying unknown sources or install from unknown sources. All you need to do is toggle down that list and select the APK Time app, toggle it on, and that will permit APK Time to install an application which is unknown or install an application from an unknown source. When that is done, you find this install button here, click on it once, and you have the installation process commenting. Now the installation is done, you could click on the done button or the open button to launch the application and enjoy SD Maid. So if you found that insightful, the video was useful, smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video.